Bluefish, I've been catching them as well. How you been?
How you doing?
Jim 1, I'm 0. He's out fishing me. Oh, Jim, I got him. Oh, I got it. That's a real nice black. Hey everyone. It is currently 1:30 p.m. and I have to be at work at 4 p.m. But Jim is there out there at the beach, and he said he called me like 10 minutes ago, and he said he's gonna be out there at the beach fishing. And I know that sounds really a little bit crazy because I really don't have too much time to fish, but I'm gonna kind of do a 30 minutes fishing challenge, and we'll see how many fish we'll catch in 30 minutes. And I don't know, hopefully at least we'll catch a couple fish, but I really don't know. But yeah, I'll see you guys out there and we'll see if we'll catch anything or not. Catching them as well. How we been?
How you doing?
Alright, Jim got some scent leads for us, so that's what I'm going to be using. The way I said, I don't have really too much time. So gonna get a scent fillet on the hook, just like that. They're right there. This side, the other side. Nice! Nice! Yeah, that's a black drum. That's a nice black drum, Jim.
That's a keeper.
Yeah, that's definitely a keeper.
Look how dark he is.
Yeah, that's a really...
Really?
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, they're people here.
Yeah, Jim 1, I'm 0. He's out fishing me. End of it? Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. I just gotta. Is that bite? Yeah, that's a bite. Oh, Jim, I got him. Oh, I got it. That's a real nice black. That's a good one, Jim. We got him, guys. Yeah. That's a good one. Woohoo! That's a good black. Really nice black drum. Oh, it's pulling the drag right now. Oh, that's a good one. Holy cow, look at the black drum. Guys, we got him. Wow. That's a black one again. Dark color. You want him? Do you want him, Jim?
Yeah,
Alright, 30 minutes fishing challenge. And we got our... Oh, it's peeing. It's peeing. We got our first fish in. Hey, it's 101 now. No, you're still out fishing me. Look at that. That's it. That's it. That's a keeper size. Keeper size, nice. Beautiful black drum. I guess my... Oh no! Oh man!
where were you that last?
On the left side, a little bit like further to the left side, yeah.